So let's kick off with a short video, just in case any of you here have read or saw the movie The Hijacker's Guide to the Galaxy. Anybody? Well, that would be interesting for you guys. Oh, a couple of those. Can you play the video, please? Click on it.
What is that?
Put this in your ear.
We have unwittingly picked up a couple of hitchhikers.
The fish is translating for you.
The babelfish is small, yellow, leech-like, and probably the oddest thing in the universe. It feeds on brainwave energy, absorbing unconscious frequencies and excreting a matrix of conscious frequencies to the speech centers of the brain. The practical upshot of which is that if you stick one in your ear, you instantly understand anything said to you in any language.
Okay, now I've got that point, but don't worry. iOlite is not something that you need to stick in your ear or anywhere else for that matter. So what is iOlite? Do I have a clicker? I have a clicker, shit. Okay. So what is iOlite? iOlite is a platform that bridges between mainstream users to the blockchain technology. And it does that by allowing anybody without any prior knowledge or programming to sit down, write in a natural or programming language a contract or an agreement, and it migrates it to a smart contract, either on an Ethereum blockchain or any other one. And the reason we set off for that particular road is the fact that everything here, all those events, all these buzz around the blockchain technology, actually pointless if there won't be mass adoption. Fact is that these are just a few numbers. 2.5 billion users potentially can use blockchain technology, yet we have about 6 million wallets active. 80%, this is according to NABM research, 80% of executives stated that they will be using or try to test blockchain technology in their organization. How many actually use that? Now, there are a few reasons for that. There are technical reasons, scaling, power, speed. There's always the regulatory reasons, the legal environment, which is not that supportive. But the most important factor is the human factor. There's the reputation, lack of knowledge, understanding. Here are a few solutions out there that kind of try to figure out what to do with that respect. So we have Neo, of course, that allows people to program smart contracts using Java programming language. We have EOS, which uses WebAssembly for that matter. And there's another approach of the guys from the academy, Jason King and Mo Levin, who teaches people how to write smart contracts. But here's the thing. We live in a Babylon tower. We have over 6,000 languages spoken. We have over 500 programming languages. What if tomorrow there will be another blockchain which is better than Ethereum? Everything needs to be adjusted, or a new programming language that's being used. So we need something else. What if we didn't have to adjust anything? What if there is no barrier of language? This is what iOlite is. iOlite is the third layer. This is how we define it. First layer is the peer-to-peer payments and transactions, blockchain or Bitcoin. We have second layer, Ethereum, with logic between those transactions. iOlite is the third layer. It's the layer of communication. Anybody can communicate with the blockchain. A few words about technology. There are three components to iOlite: the user interface. Imagine you can sit down in your office, open a Microsoft Office or an IDE like Visual Studio, and with our plugin, sit down and start writing your own text, an agreement or a contract. This text is being parsed by the fast adaptation engine, which is our core machine learning mechanism. Whatever it doesn't recognize, it's been published to our community of experts in various fields, and those experts generate knowledge back. The machine is constantly learning new languages and new ways to create code. Everything is being updated to the blockchain, iOlite blockchain. Contributors who have created value are being compensated with iOlite coins. Those who have written smart contracts and want to share them with others can take fees from those who want to use their contracts. This is a simple flow how it works today, whereas the bottleneck is where you have this Solidity expert that needs to have everything in place, which is costly, very dangerous if you take the wrong one. This is how it works in the iOlite world. We flatten it. Everybody is engaged in the process of creating that smart contract. Smart contract gets out better, faster, more efficient, and safer. So imagine this whole barrier of language is gone. Now there is no problem for others to get in. Everybody knows the blockchain is good. The media has taken care of that. But now everybody else can join in. The first impact will be everybody can start to create ICOs, for that matter, without too much of an effort. But there are other applications, of course, that can be used. A few words about us. We are a nonprofit organization, and this is my second project in the blockchain space. I have a cyber and crypto and computer science expert on my side. We also have a great team of advisors, some of them from the blockchain space, some of them are from the mainstream businesses like Google and Cisco. Some of the current roadmaps, we have a TGE coming up. If you would like to know a little bit more about it, you are welcome to visit us in our booth. I'm going to leave you with this thought in mind, because I've been talking about smart contracts and about blockchain. But if you have a machine that learns constantly new things about language and generates to any other language, so why stop at blockchain? Thank you very much.